Today I will show you how you can clean the RAM and storage memory in your Android device. So we start from the RAM memory. The simplest way to clean it, just close all of the background apps. But if that way is not enough for you, you can always try to download this app. This is a fast RAM cleaner. And now just tap on the start. Allow permissions. Wait a second to close that. And now just tap on the speed your phone. Now just go back to the settings, and if you want to clean the storage memory by the default settings, go to the storage and tap on free up space. Choose the items to remove, and if you're ready, click here. Now just configure it by remove and turn it on automatically or not. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.